Welcome to True Islam, your guide to the truth about Islam. In this video, we'll answer a powerful and life-changing question. How can someone become a Muslim? Becoming a Muslim is simple and beautiful. Islam is not limited by race, culture, or background. It is for all of humanity. To enter Islam, one must sincerely declare the Shahada, the testimony of faith. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah. This means, I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This declaration should be made with a sincere heart, believing in the oneness of God and accepting Muhammad as his final messenger. There is no need for a ceremony, priest, or paperwork. It's a personal commitment between you and your Creator. Once you accept Islam, your past sins forgiven, and your journey begins as a new person with a clean heart. Islam will guide you step by step toward prayer, understanding the Quran, and living a life of peace, purpose, and connection with God. If you feel ready, say the Shahada today and begin your journey with Allah. For more guidance, Islam, prayer, and your next steps, subscribe to True Islam and let's walk this path of truth together.